how to find standard deviation for raw data with an example. So this question is a raw data. It contains 5 entries: 12, 17, 15, 11, 25. Okay. So let this be x1, x2, x3, x4, and this is x5. First I will find average of these entries. X bar is summation x divided by n. Summation x is what total of all the entries given here, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by n means number of entries. Here we are having 5 entries, divided by 5. So 12 plus 17 plus 15 plus 11 plus 25 divided by 5. So I will add these entries here. Total will be 80 divided by 5, 16. 16 is the average of these entries. Average means arithmetic mean or x bar. Now I will find standard deviation, and the formula is sigma equal to, this is sigma, it looks like 6, but it's tilted on the right side. It is a Greek alphabet known as sigma, is equal to square root of summation of I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. Whole thing divided by n inside the square root. So here I will find summation of xi minus x bar the whole square from I equal to 1 to n. Xi means all the entries given, that is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 till whatever is given. Here they are having only 5 entries, therefore last one is x5 only. So first one is x1 is 12 here, 12 minus x bar is 16, average 16 square, plus x2 here is 17 minus average 16 square of it. Then x3 here is 15. So 15 minus 16 square plus x4 here is 11 minus 16 square plus x5 here is 25. So 25 minus 16 square, whole thing divided by n, that is 5, is equal to 12 minus 16 is how much? Minus 4 square of it plus minus 1 square plus, sorry, it is 1 not minus 1, here it is minus 1 square plus 11 minus 16 is minus 5 square divided by 5. Actually I am finding here everything, the whole thing what I have to get inside the square root, that is summation of xi minus x bar the whole square divided by n. Directly I will replace here in the formula and get the values of standard deviation. So this is 16 plus 1 plus 1 plus 25 divide by 5. So total here I will get 124. 16 plus 1 plus 1 plus 25 is, sorry, I missed here 1 and 3, I missed here. This is 1, this is 1, this is minus 5. I missed here 25 minus 16, that is 9, so plus 9 square. So I have to add 81 more here. 16 plus here 16, and then here it is 1 plus 1 plus 25 plus 9 square is 81 divided by 5. So this total will come as 124, 17, 18, and yeah, it will come to 124 only, divided by 5. So 124 divided by 5 is 24.8. So I will replace this value here, place of this summation of xi minus x bar the whole square divided by n, which I have got the value here as 24.8. So sigma is equal to square root of 24.8 divided by 5. Sorry, already I have divided here, no? So I will find the square root of this value 24.8. From the calculator it will come as 4.9799. So I can round it off till 2 decimal places. That's 4.98, because this, after 2 decimal places, this digit is greater than 5. So I can add 1 here and it will become as 8. That is 4.98. Sigma value is 4.98. So this is standard deviation for this question. And if I want to get the variance for the same question, the square of this is the variance.